This is no Tintin Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi 3. My sister, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How do you feel about the game today?
I can't say it was a good game, but then Pirates at least pushing
especially second half.
Yeah. And then Jovel Pirates time again.
Last minute. Yeah.
So I can't really say it was a good game, but then at least bazamile pushed.
Yeah. So do you think, like, what do you think maybe maybe is it because of maybe you took Magesi for granted because of the team?
Yeah, I can say ukuthi bayiqale bayinyatha kuqala before. Yes. Kanti ke nayo ifike ngokwayo.
Exactly.
Njoba ke nabo sokhona abaphakamisa amasokisi sokulate. Yeah. And nje ne last goal yakhona yo.
And about the offside.
It is what it is, but then the score is
but you win some, you lose some. At least maybe Nesasuti we MTN.
Yes, I very. But then Siabuya.
Oh, you're coming.
Siabuya.
And manje message yago for a team and the next team, because manje you look angry and I can see what you are in the show in your message to your next opponent.
Nje bajime basukumisa amasokisi cause masiza la sizokhiphela ienga yethu le market sikhiphele kubo so nje kuzonyiwa kakhulu hayi kancane.
No, siyabonga kakhulu sise, all the best. Hopefully nizowina on Tuesday. Sharp.